Okay, now we are going to the worksheet 2 conversion of units หรือเป็นไทย in Thai is การเปลี่ยนหน่วยนั่นเองการเปลี่ยนหน่วยคืออะไร What is the conversion of units we should study it or learn it by look at example 1 at first ตอนแรกนะครับ I would like you to look at this table ผมจะพาพวกเรามาดูในตารางนี้ก่อนนะ and I will give the number 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9 to mention of which line that I will use is here ผมจะให้ตัวเลข1 2 3ไปถึง9นะครับเพื่อที่เดี๋ยวเราจะอ้างอิงถึงว่าเราจะทำตัวอย่างเนี้ยเราจะทำจากไอตารางที่ให้มานะครับเดี๋ยวค่อยๆดู just slowly understand it together convert the measuring units as indicated เขาบอกว่าให้แปลงจงแปลง measuring แปลว่าการวัดหน่วยของการวัดนะครับ measuring unit หน่วยการวัด as indicated ก็ตามที่ให้มา at first we want to change meter to yard so from meter to yard which line บรรทัดไหนครับที่เราควรที่จะไปดู for the first line or the first row from centimeter to inch from the second row from inch to centimeters and for example line 5 or row 5 from meter to feet no but this one แต่ว่าตอนนี้เนี่ย you want to change from meter to yard right so then we have to look at the row 7 is that correct ถูกต้องนะครับเราต้องการเปลี่ยนจากเมตรเป็นยาร์ดนะครับเราพบว่าแบบนี้ look at me is that correct that 60 meters equal to 60 meter times 1 is that correct ถูกเนาะ60 เมตรเท่ากับ60 เมตรคูณ1แต่ but we want to change the unit from meter to yard then we look at the line 7 or row 7 and then what we found it is that correct if I write this here 60 meter times 1 we know that 1.094 yard equals 1 meter is that correct so that means we can cancel this or I can say that this is equal to 1 right ผมสามารถพูดได้ว่าไอ้ตัวเนี้ยมีค่าเท่ากับ1 because this one and this one are the same right so and then what next so now we can cancel 2 units meter and meters and at the end we will get the number of yards if you use calculator you will get 65.64 yard because this unit is still here it doesn't cancel it's only meter and meter are cancelled okay then we get the answer 65.64 yards and for B you want to change from kilometers to mile which line 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 or 9. You will use the row 8, right? Okay, as the same as before, we know that 5 kilometers equal 5 kilometers times 1, but we know that 1 is, because we want to change kilometer to mile, then we have to use the fact that 0.62 mile equal to 1 kilometer. So this is a fact that we can cancel the unit of kilometer, and then we get the answer, and the unit is mile, right? So the answer is 3.1. Okay, understand? Okay, just slowly. I'm not in a hurry. So for C, you have to change the unit from feet to yard. From feet to yard, which one that you are going to use is, you have only from feet to meter and from meter to yard, right? Okay, again, you want to change the unit from feet to yards, so then you have to use first, because in the table there is no directly from feet to yard. ในตารางนี้ครับมันไม่มีการแปลงจากฟุตภาษาอังกฤษใช้ฟีตเนาะภาษาไทยเนี่ยฟีตเนี่ยเป็นพหูพจน์ของฟุตนะแต่ว่าในภาษาไทยเนี่ยไม่ว่าพหูพจน์หรือเอกพจน์เนี่ยมันจะใช้5ฟุต3ฟุต1ฟุตเนี่ยเป็นฟุตหมดเลยนะครับแต่ว่าในเนี้ยมันไม่มีจากฟุตเป็นหยาดโดยตรงเพราะฉะนั้นผมจะแปลงจากฟุต to meter and from meter to yard. So how can I change it? 36 feet equal to 36 feet. I want to change from feet to meter first. Is that correct? It's correct. I want to change from feet to meter. So then I get 0.3.5 meter divide by 1 foot, and okay, I think it's better to write it here. It's better to write it here. And I want to change from, this is multiply, I want to change from meter to yards. So I want to change 1 meter, and that means I will use line 7, right? I will use line 7. I know that 1.094 yard divide is equal to 1 meter. Okay, then meter cancel meter, feet cancel feet, and at the end you use calculator and you will get 12.101 yards. 12.01 yard. I will use my calculator again to confirm my answer. 36 times, and you have to use this during you are looking at my slide. 5 times 1.059. Okay, it's correct. And then the last one. You have to change. You would like to change from yards to centimeter. So, from yard to centimeter, is there any lines that tell us about from yard to centimeter? No, we don't have directly, but we have, maybe we can use the line 6. How to use this? Look at me. 24 yards equal to 24 yards times, we want to change from yard to centimeter. We use line 6. And we will get 914 centimeter divide 1 yard. So this is cancelled, right? And then I will use my calculator again to compute it, and you have to try to use it too. Okay, is that correct? I use line 6. I think something wrong. Wait a minute. Oh no, this is here. Okay, I understand. This is should equal to this one equal times from line 6 we have 0.914 meter equal, because 0.914 meter equal to 1 yard, and we know that 100 centimeter equal to 1 meter, right? And at the end, meter cancel meter and yard cancel yard, and then we will get the answer. So the answer should be, I will use my calculator. 4 times 100. Okay, I think you get the same number as me. 2196.6 meter. Okay, and this is the first example. So look at the second example, and I will let you to do it by yourself for the third example, but I will pause the solution. Okay, or maybe I can also show you. Look at the question. Helium is a valuable gas เป็นแก๊สที่มีค่า used in industry ใช้ในอุตสาหกรรมโรงงานนะครับ low temperature research deep sea diving tanks and balloons นะใช้ในอุตสาหกรรมต่างๆเลยเขาถามว่า how many moles of helium atoms are in 6.46 gram of helium if we know that 1 mole of helium equal to 4.003 grams of helium this is quite simple because we know that 6.46 grams equal to 6.46 gram times we need to change from gram to mole, right? So we have to times 1 mole. In fact, that means you 6.46 gram equal to 6.46 gram times 1, right? And then we will get 6.64 gram times 1 mole of helium is divide 4.003 gram of helium and then we know that gram is cancelled by gram so then the unit mole is left then we will get the answer if you use calculator you will get this value 1.61 mole this is the answer okay the next one you want to know how many moles มีโมลของแมกนีเซียมกี่โมล are in 87.3 gram that means you want to change gram to mole right at first you know that you have 87.3 gram 87.3 grams and then you know that 87.3 gram times 1 means you have 1 mole equal to 1 mole is equal to 24.305 grams and then gram cancel gram is cancelled by gram and you will get the mole left the unit mole left here so you use calculator again and you will get the answer 3.59 mole okay